In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce effectively. 5 minutes. Start by logging into Salesforce and opening the Lightning experience. Once you're in, head to the gear icon in the top right and choose Settings, then open Advanced Setup. This takes you to the Setup Home, your command center for configuration. Begin with company information. Here, confirm your company's legal name, address, primary contact, and key identifiers. Accuracy matters because these details flow into quotes, emails, and reports. Right after that, define your default time zone, locale, currency, and fiscal year. Pick the fiscal year structure that matches how your business reports performance. Switching later can impact reports and forecasting, so set it correctly now. Next, go to Users to add and manage people. Create users with their work email, assign roles to control data visibility across the org, and assign profiles to define what they can do. Keep security tight, grant only what's necessary, and when someone leaves, deactivate their user instead of deleting to keep historical records intact. Open the App Manager to create a new Lightning app or adjust an existing one. Give it a clear name and branding so users recognize it quickly. Add the items your team needs, such as accounts, contacts, opportunities, and reports, and arrange the navigation in the order that matches their workflow. A streamlined app reduces clicks and boosts adoption. In Object Manager, tailor the experience for each object. Adjust page layouts to surface the fields your team relies on, hide what they don't, and add quick actions like log a call or new task. When adding new fields, choose the right data type, mark required fields carefully, and review field-level security so only the right people see sensitive data. If your business tracks information that standard objects don't cover, create a custom object with clear labels and a thoughtful set of fields. Keep it simple at first and expand as your process matures. For a polished experience, visit Themes and Branding. Apply your logo, set a color palette that aligns with your brand, and enable dark mode if your users prefer it. Then customize the homepage. Use the Lightning App Builder to place components like dashboards, tasks, and key lists, and assign that homepage to specific apps and profiles so each team lands on what matters most. Finally, use the quick find search and setup to locate and enable features such as sales engagement, commerce, or Marketing Cloud Connect. Turn on what your teams are licensed for, add the related tabs to your apps, and test access with a sample user profile. That's it. You've laid a solid foundation for using Salesforce effectively. Save as you go, test in a safe environment when possible, and iterate based on user feedback. Thanks for watching, and happy building.